Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. Say hello, Miss Cali Cat. Say hello. Hey, you gonna say hello? Oh, she's gonna ignore us today. Y'all, today is my first ever FabFitFun mystery bundle battle. So I'm gonna put up my dukes and we're gonna see who wins this battle. I am competing today against Cher. She has her own channel. It is Single Mom Review. I will put a card up above to her video. We are going to battle each other. So watch both videos. Vote on the one you think that got the best bundle. Not the person you think that did best, but the person who got the best bundle. She'd probably do best because yeah, I still have no idea what I'm doing. But yes, this is gonna be so much fun. We are gonna do a giveaway at the end. So a winner will be randomly picked. Of course, all the normal giveaway rules do still apply. You must be 18 or older. We can only ship to the lower 48, United States. We are just too broke to ship out of the country. I'm sorry about that. You must comment with our special word down below. And you must be publicly subscribed to both me and to Single Mom Review. Hi, now you gonna talk to me? Yeah? Okay, so like I said, publicly subscribed. If you do not know what publicly means, you are not publicly subscribed. You have to actually go into your settings and click that you want to be publicly subscribed. There are videos that show you how to do that. Just type in publicly subscribed and I'll show you how to do it. Mary Catherine Loves Cats has a good video to show you how to do that if you are interested. So, what else do I need to tell you? What are you doing? You silly kitty. Yeah? Okay, so like I said, 18 years or older, publicly subscribed, only ship to the lower 48. You must say our secret word. I don't know if she's gonna have a secret word. I'm gonna have a secret word. So you have to watch her video and see what she says to do and do what she says to do. So let's get into the bundle and we will see who won FabFitFun. Now, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription. I will give you all the information on that down below. If you want to try FabFitFun out for yourself, I can ship you a starter box for free. All you have to do is pay the shipping. All you have to do is request it down below in the comments. Or you can just use my link and go straight there. And you'll get $10 off your first box if you just use my link. So, $49.99 a year for their seasonal box. You can become an annual member. That way you can customize every single thing that you get. And that is $179.99 upfront for your 4 boxes for the year. On the seasonal box, you can customize, I think it's like 4 of the items. Anyway, I'll put all that information down below. Let's open this bundle because I'm curious to see what I got. Alright, so it came like this in a bag with some other FabFitFun stuff. So we're gonna go in here and see what it is. Let me pull all this stuff out. Something in here smells good, y'all. I mean, oh, smells really good. I bet it's this candle. All right. I mentioned the candle. We'll look at that first. Lush Amazon Signature Soy Scented Soy Candle. Oh, this does smell nice, y'all. It is a little messed up because, well, the lid came off of it. It is in a great tin, though. This is a very nice candle. Lush Amazon. Burn time up to 40 hours. Oh, that's lovely. I love a good candle. And it really does smell good. This is like one of those candles that you have by the front door. If you know somebody's coming over, you run over, you light the candle so it smells nice in your house. I really, really like this candle. To me, that was worth the price. I think I paid maybe $29 for this. I will write it down below. All right, this is Atmosphere Protection Cream, lightweight Firming Moisturizer. Osea? Alright, I've never heard of this brand. That doesn't mean anything. You know, I'm still learning all this skincare stuff. This is a normal to combo skin. Light and luxurious, hydrates and provides protection against environmental stressors that visibly damage skin. Organic seaweed, shea butter, and avocado oil moisturizer to firm the skin with a matte finish. It says apply it to cleaned skin. Excellent primer for flawless makeup application. Use morning and night. Seaweed looks good on you. All right, let's just see what it, oh, it's pretty. Y'all, I love good packaging. Nice bottle. Very pretty. Let's just see. I can't smell it too much. There's a faint smell, but not very, you know, not overpowering, anything like that. Very cool. I'm excited to try that. That's neat. All right, let's go on to the next product. And I will try to find prices on all this stuff for you so I can kind of tell you how much all this stuff was worth. This is a Innisfree Youth-enriching sleeping mask with Orchid. Ooh, look how pretty. Y'all can't see it, can you? Early action multitasking overnight cream with Orchid Elixir, I don't know, 2.0, and lavender oil helps strengthen, firm, smooth, nourish, and brighten the look of your skin while sleeping. It says directions. At the last stage of evening skincare, apply onto entire face, avoid the eye and lip area, gently massage for better absorption, leave on overnight, and rinse with water in the morning. Very cool. I'm curious about night masks, y'all. I don't do them very much, but I need to. I need to start doing more masks. It is sealed. I'm gonna leave it sealed right now. I have a couple masks open I've been trying to use. If I remember to put them on. You know, I'm bad about that memory. But this is cool. I do like that. Orchid. Very neat. Alright. Let's see what all this is about. Look how cool, y'all. Am I ready to bake or what? Not that I do. I'm so bad. Alright, we're just going to look at the top product here. This is a 12-inch silicone whisk and tongue set. Easy whisk, whips, picks, and serves. These are cool. I've never used a silicone whisper. I mean, I don't do them too much. I was raised to just, you know, you whisk your eggs with a fork. I mean, we were country. We didn't need special tools. But I do like them on occasion. And, I mean, can't you imagine picking up biscuits with this? Not that we use that. We're bad about using our hands. Shame on us. All right. This is AR & Cook is the brand. I guess I can show y'all that a little better. Very cool. Convenient and easy to use. The 12-inch silicone whisk and 12-inch silicone tongs from Cookworks are great for your everyday kitchen needs. Mix, whisk, whip, scramble, pick, and serve your favorite foods with ease. The stainless steel core is strong enough for your toughest jobs. The silicone head won't scratch your pots and pans, and is heat resistant for up to 450 degrees. Oh, that's good. I was just wondering about that. But yeah, very cool. Nice kitchen tool. Like that. This is from Aaron Cook too. This is a jar and bottle opener. Y'all, how many times have you had to hand a jar to somebody else saying, here, you try to open it? Because I am bad about it. You know, with the fibromyalgia, my hands don't always work. They don't always have the strength in them. And sometimes I just drop things. Y'all have seen me drop things. But yeah, so having something like this in the kitchen is really important because you don't always have somebody around. Super cool. Effortlessly open jars and bottles and more. Convenient and easy to use, the jar and bottle opener by Cook works opens stubborn jar lids and bottle tops with ease. The soft lining, four-sided openings and secure grips works for bottles and jars of all kinds. So I can see where there's different sizes and then you just squeeze and open. That's pretty cool. So you could even do like a Coke bottle with that. That's cool. All right, and here we have, y'all, I am so bad about like just keeping those old containers. Like, you know, if you get your sandwich meat, get those, they can wash, you can use them again. But having a nice set like this of containers to put your leftovers in, or if you bake something for somebody and you take it over to them, it's just really nice. This is a 14-piece food storage container. There's 14 pieces in here. They're just all stacked in there. This is really cool. Reusable and long-lasting plastic metal storage. Plastic metal. Yeah, you're gonna store your metal in here. Plastic meal storage. Is BPR free, airtight seal, stackable, space efficient, freezer safe. You get a 1 cup, a 1.9 cup, a 3 cup, a 4.8 cup, a 6.9 cup, an 11 cup, and an 18 cup. And of course there are lids with each one. But yes, very cool set. I'm not going to open it. I may actually gift this. This would be a great Christmas gift. And that is what is on my mind right now, is Christmas. I'm starting to feel the crunch of I haven't bought anything this year. And normally, y'all, I would have bought a lot of stuff for Christmas already. So I do think this is super cool. I am pretty pleased with this set. I mean, I got the 3 kitchen tools. I got the night mask. I got the moisturizer. And I got this great candle. I think this is a great set. I'm really happy with it. Like I said, I will look it up down below and tell you exactly how much I paid for this set. Of course, you do have to be a FabFitFun member to get these mystery bundles. But yeah, very much worth it. I think it was great. Now I'm going to move on to what you can get. So I'm just going to grab this. Y'all, I just was going to put a little bundle together for y'all. So just a little happy. And it's going to be, you know, what did I put in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 pieces in here. So this is like your own little mystery bundle. But, you know me, I went a little more towards the makeup world. So you are going to get a Blackberry Spongella. Y'all, this smells great. I mean, so good. I want to keep it. But no, you're going to get it. I love the Spongellas. I love these flower-shaped ones because they're so easy to grip and not drop in the shower. Very cool. They're, you know, they're a sponge infused with the soap. So all you got to do is wet it and you're good to go. You are going to get the Farrah medium angled shading brush. It is 55E. I have one of these myself and I do love it. I like to use it a lot. You're gonna get the Bellapierre Cosmetics Twist Up Brow Pencil in deep brown. I don't do too much to my brows, so I saved this one out for y'all. You're going to get the Siete London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. This is a great little blush. It's got the pink and then it's got some gold swirl mixed into it. Very cool little product. And I'm going to give you a palette. This is the Violet Voss Windflower Fun Sized Palette. Let me just open it up and show y'all this palette. So cute. Cute packaging. I love the little flowers on it. And then lovely colors in there. Very cute. Some shimmers, some mattes. So that's what you'll get if you win my giveaway. And what will our word be? Kind of want to go out there, pick something fun. Let's have our secret word be retro. R-E-T-R-O. Retro. Because I'm feeling retro today. I got my bell bottoms on. I got this funky shirt on. I got some big chunky jewelry. I'm feeling the retro vibe today. So let's have our word be retro. So use the word retro, R-E-T-R-O, in a sentence down below. I will use a random comment picker. I will use a random comment picker to pick the winner. Good luck, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed this bundle. Don't forget to vote on who got the best bundle. Was it Cher or was it me? Make sure you go and watch her video and subscribe to her channel. Y'all, it's very important. We will check that. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.